As an adult, I did not know that I was at risk of getting whooping cough. I started developing a cough. I didn't think much of it. I just thought I'd maybe picked up a cold or something. Nothing we were doing, nothing the doctor was doing was getting my asthma under control. So the doctor said, let's admit you into hospital. They were like, it would have never occurred to us to test you for whooping cough, but we're going to test you now. People with asthma need to know what the effects of diseases like whooping cough can do to them. Obviously, it exacerbated my asthma, so I was wheezy, I couldn't breathe. The cough is so violent that it affects your whole body, so my muscles, my neck, my shoulders, everything hurt. When you cough so much, your abdominal muscles are in agony. It's just consecutive coughs without being able to take another breath in. So you don't know when you're going to be able to breathe again. I think I was in hospital for about 10 days. I had lost my voice completely. I had like a really bad laryngitis. I couldn't talk for over a month as well. And the cough lasts for 3 months, but I think it lasted longer with me. It's not nothing. It's still here. It's not a disease of the past, and it's preventable.